Hey everyone, did you know that over 80% of consumers engage with a brand after scanning a QR code? Yeah, it's pretty wild. So, if you're looking to boost your business's marketing game, let's learn how to create a super cool QR code in just a few minutes. Today, you'll discover how to make a QR code using Canva, a powerful design tool that can elevate your business marketing. Now, let's talk about a problem that many businesses face. Creating effective marketing materials that truly engage customers can sometimes feel like climbing a mountain. It's tough. But guess what? QR codes offer a simple solution to get your customers to interact with your brand. Let's see how we can create one. The business card design is finalized. To enhance its functionality, I'll be incorporating a QR code. Generating one is straightforward and can be done in a matter of steps. To begin, locate and select the Apps option from the left panel. Locate the QR code app by scrolling down the list. Once found, click on it. Simply enter your business website and click Generate Code to continue. Your custom business QR code has been successfully generated. Strategically place it anywhere you like and customize the dimensions to fit your needs. Enhance user experience by adding a concise text below the QR code to clarify its function. Select the text from the left panel and replace it with Website. Position the text beneath the QR code, adjusting the size and alignment for optimal proportions. In this video, we've covered the quick and easy steps to create a QR code in Canva. Remember, it's all about making those connections with your audience and enhancing engagement for your business. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more design tips. Let's keep creating amazing things together.